She cried. She
Oh, dude, there's water. It's not dried out. Sick. Dude.
Well,
You just can't go down there.
what's up, guys? Today me and Mini Pocket are gonna. We're not even home right now. We're actually in Utah right now, as you can see. Anyways, we're here, just chilling, you know, and we're probably gonna go. We're gonna go to my uncle's house, my cousin's house, and we're gonna. I think he said there's a skate park around there, because I know my videos, or our videos, haven't had a lot of skating in it, so hopefully we can get more clips for a YouTube video. That echo, did you hear that?
Yeah. Alright.
But hopefully we can get clips and actually, so it can actually be a skateboarding channel.
Watch it.
We should probably leave. Let's go. Oh, get it.
See you here now. Hello. I don't know what to say. Want to see what happens.
Okay, so right now we're at In-N-Out getting some food.
I already said that, but
Up in here, bro.
I just told you to say it again.
Yeah, you did. But
We're In-N-Out, and then after In-N-Out, we're gonna eat on our way to American Fork.
okay, we're going
4-hour
to.
drive
We're gonna go on a 4-hour drive
to American Fork.
to a fork,
An American Fork.
an American fork from America. Yeah, that's real ice cream.
Whoa, dude. Oh.
Whoa, no, it's not actually real. Yeah, make my food.
I'm actually on my
No, it's still stealing.
I couldn't, there's no way I could eat that many fries. I'd be like,
Hey Noah, look, they have In-N-Out.
I just ate In-N-Out.
It's a whole body.
Okay, so
What?
I'm talking to the camera, dude.
What?
I'm talking to my camera, dude.
Oh, sorry. I'm tired.
Okay.
What?
So we are in where?
We're in the
Dad,
fork, dude.
Just call if it's time to shine.
We're in the fork. Having
kind of
trouble
fork?
putting on my scouts.
Wait, what kind of fork?
An American fork.
New drugs
Yeah,
are too
dude.
old.
Benadryl.
I have to.
Hello, my name is Cleo. What's up, guys? Okay, so we are in American Fork. We got here like a while ago, like a couple days ago. I forgot to continue this vlog. So right now we're on a hike, and there's a nice river right next to me. It's pretty nice. Look at it. It's pretty good looking. I'm gonna try and video as much as I can on this hike. I got like one video of a waterfall, but I'm gonna try and film as much as I can, and then yeah. Okay, so right now, it's been a day since I last talked to you, and right now we're on our way to Idaho. I don't know exactly where, but we're going to Idaho because, yeah. And I don't know, I'm gonna try and do something interesting for this vlog because there hasn't been hasn't been many things that have been I can't talk right now. Interesting. Like the hike.
Many interesting things.
Thank you. Like the hike was cool and all, but I didn't get very much footage there. But here's the road.
Go back to school and learn how to speak, kid.
You wanna go?
Where? We're inside a car.
Oh yeah, never mind.
Yeah, we'll come after you, dude.
So right now, we made it to the base camp. What are you looking at?
Are you really vlogging?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, I didn't believe you for a second.
It felt so fake. We made it to this base camp at the festival.
No, it's not a
No pun
feast.
intended. That's actually, it's about feasting at a festival. What are you doing, Ella?
Taking the camera from you.
Okay, so we made it here. It's beautiful.
No hands. He's vlogging.
No hands. I'm levitating it right now. And so let's bring you over here. It sucked.
That's
terrible.
Oh, let's try it again. Let's try it again.
Here.
It's all.
Okay, let's over here. There you go. That was okay. Okay, come back.
Okay.
And I'm gonna try and get as many clips as I can.
There's a creek.
There's a creek.
How do you stop it?
I can hear it
Button.
without
Walk
looking
across
at
the
the
bridge.
bottle. What?
Walk across the bridge.
Me?
Yeah.
So me and Cleo are gonna go get some pizza. Don't know where it is though. So just gonna go look. Oh wait, I have to pee, Cleo.
Okay, do it.
Oh, that hurt. That really hurt. Oh. Yeah. Ah.
Go. Oh, that jump! Oh, dang! Oh, dude, you're killing it, dude.
Oh, dang! Record! Ah!
Can I put your fart in there?
Yeah.
Okay. What?
Oh my god. Let's get turned.
Let's get turned. On water? Oh, no.
I don't know.
What a lame-o. There it is again.
Oh! This guy.
Oh.
My legs right there.
Oh. Oh, dude, this is... First try! That was so first try, huh?
What?
So that's pretty much it, guys. And we're gonna end it here because that's pretty much it. I said that twice, but I don't care. But we're gonna end it here because, yeah.
That's pretty much it.
Because I feel like I got enough footage. I think. Hopefully. And hopefully you like it. All 28 of you like it. Bye.
Rob Stone, 2 damn phones, Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam, but figured I should stick to dro.